First and foremost, you want to boil pasta in salty water at slightly more medium, but at high heat, while also browning your spicy 1 pound of sausage. After your meat is browned and drained, you want to add half a teaspoon of oregano leaves, basil leaves, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Mix well and you get a wonderful smell. After adding your seasonings, you want to add 2 cups of marinara sauce, plus a cup of milk, which I'm going to pour into this jar and shake over very well to get that extra sauce and make it creamier. And stir until the sauce is thickened. After stir, you want to add 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. And then you want to add your noodles. And you want to get those evenly coated with your sauce. And lastly, you want to add in half a cup of shredded cheese, or 2 slices of cheese, your choice. And once you are done mixing the cheese, this is what your dish should look like. And this is spicy sausage spaghetti, and trust me, it's very delicious. This is Speakeasy Camus, signing off.